In a forgotten village where dreams were considered foolish, lived a boy with nothing but hope. His name was Salman, his clothes were torn, his fingers stained with ink, his family was poor, but his dreams were richer than gold. The world told him, "You are nothing, Salman. You can never change your fate. Your life will remain in this dust forever." But Salman knew a secret. Your thoughts shape your future. He dreamed, he studied, he believed. While the world slept, he read under the stars. While others mocked, he built a palace in his mind. And one day, the boy with dust on his feet became the man who lit up the village. Salman invented a cheap solar lamp, bringing light to every dark house in his town. The boy who once read under the moon gave light to hundreds. People finally asked him, "How did you do this, Salman?" He replied softly, "Because I never let the world decide what I could become, and that made all the difference." Remember, poverty cannot stop you, doubt cannot stop you, only your thoughts can. Believe in your dreams. One day, this sky will belong to you too.